The cloud is changing many aspects of how we build and operate networks, creating challenges but also opening opportunities for leveraging the value of the network itself. While the cloud in many ways makes it simpler to develop and offer applications, the customer has to be prepared to move control of the application to the cloud and trust that the provider will deliver the same privacy and control of integrity that they would have provided in-house. Ensuring the integrity of connections across the wide area is key to protecting cloud services. Leveraging VPN technology, whether SSL VPN for remote users or IPsec MPLS VPN for fixed locations, is the right approach. In addition to security, enterprise-grade services require predictability and a level of performance appropriate to the applications in use. In short, they require that the user experience is guaranteed. So what is the impact of cloud-based service models on the deployment of security over the wide area? As I've already stated, leveraging VPN technology for secure connectivity is the right approach. But to this, we must also add the deployment of stateful firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention services, content filtering, and so on, to create a secure environment equal to, if not better than, that of the traditional enterprise. These technologies in themselves, of course, are not new. What changes when we talk of applying wide area security to cloud services is the environment itself. The environment of cloud service delivery is a highly dynamic one, as flows are instigated between users and applications, between applications, and as users and applications move within the cloud environment. We need to be able to deploy services at nodes that can be software enabled to deliver the right security function at the right location and at the right time. For remote users, this is likely to be very transient SSL VPN flows terminating in the data center, perhaps deployed in conjunction with intrusion detection and prevention to inspect individual user flows for any potential threat. For not only do we want to protect the user's information, we also want to protect the services from potentially infected clients. At a branch office, we need secure routers to enable stateful firewalls, but also IPsec or MPLS VPNs through to the data center, and potentially delivering optional unified threat management services such as content filtering or IDP at a site level. At a peering point or at the data center, it may be necessary to enable security services and/or tunneling services using the software service capability of the edge peering router. At all points within the WAN topology, it's necessary to have a consistent security services capability. At Juniper, we ensure that consistency by enabling integrated hardware and software-based deployment scenarios with our single Junos operating system. And through the use of the OpenJunos SDK and the OpenJunos Space Management Platform, customers and partners can integrate provisioning and lifecycle management of these services within the operational IT systems environment, creating programmable networks that ensure the correct services can be enabled, configured, and billed at the right time and in the right place. At Juniper, we believe cloud security should be embedded within the network itself to enable consistent and comprehensive security for your cloud services delivered where and when you need it.